Hold on to your hats, folks. We're about to dive into a topic that affects millions of Americans every single day. It's something that can make or break your financial future, and yet, many people don't fully understand it. Yes, we're talking about credit scores. Did you know that in 2025, nearly 70% of Americans are stuck with a credit score below 670? That's a staggering number, and it means that a significant portion of the population is struggling with financial challenges that can have long-lasting effects. That's right, a whopping majority are dealing with the headaches of bad credit. Imagine the stress and anxiety that comes with not being able to get approved for a loan or having to pay higher interest rates on credit cards and mortgages. It's a vicious cycle that can be hard to break. It's a silent crisis impacting millions. You might not see it on the news every day, but it's there, affecting people's lives in profound ways. From young adults just starting out, to families trying to buy their first home, to retirees looking to enjoy their golden years, bad credit can be a major roadblock. But here's the good news, you don't have to be one of them. There are steps you can take to improve your credit score and take control of your financial future. It might not be easy, and it might not happen overnight, but with determination and the right strategies, you can turn things around. It's time to face the facts and take control of your financial future. Start by reviewing your credit report and understanding what's affecting your score. Are there errors that need to be corrected? Are there old debts that you can pay off? Are you using too much of your available credit? These are all important questions to ask. A bad credit score isn't just a number, it's a roadblock to your dreams. It can prevent you from getting a mortgage, buying a car, or even getting a job. But it doesn't have to be that way. By taking proactive steps, you can improve your credit score and open up new opportunities for yourself and your family. But don't worry, we're about to change that. Stay tuned as we explore practical tips and strategies to boost your credit score, manage your debt, and build a brighter financial future. Whether you're just starting out or looking to recover from past mistakes, there's hope and help available. Let's get started on this journey together. Think of your credit score as your financial report card. Just like in school, where your grades reflect your academic performance, your credit score reflects your financial behavior. It's a 3-digit number that tells a story about how you handle money, and it's crucial in many aspects of your financial life. It tells lenders how responsible you are with money. When you apply for a loan, credit card, or even a rental property, lenders and landlords look at your credit score to gauge your reliability. A high score suggests that you pay your bills on time and manage your debts well, while a low score can raise red flags. A good credit score is your golden ticket. It opens doors to financial opportunities that might otherwise be out of reach. With a strong credit score, you can qualify for lower interest rates on loans, which means you'll pay less over time. It can also help you get approved for premium credit cards with better rewards and benefits. It unlocks lower interest rates on loans, better credit card offers, and even rental approvals. Imagine being able to choose from the best credit card offers, with perks like cashback, travel rewards, and low interest rates. Or securing a mortgage with a favorable interest rate, saving you thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. Even renting an apartment becomes easier with a good credit score, as landlords see you as a trustworthy tenant. A bad credit score, that's like a financial ball and chain, weighing you down with higher costs and limited options. High interest rates on loans and credit cards can make it difficult to pay off debt, creating a cycle of financial strain. You might also face challenges in getting approved for housing, utilities, or even a job, as some employers check credit scores as part of their hiring process. But remember, it's not a life sentence. Your credit score can be improved with time and effort. Start by paying your bills on time, reducing your debt, and avoiding new credit inquiries. Regularly check your credit report for errors and dispute any inaccuracies. With patience and discipline, you can rebuild your credit score and regain financial freedom. So take control of your financial future today, and let your credit score work for you, not against you. Living with bad credit can feel like being stuck in quicksand. Need a car loan? Get ready for sky-high interest rates. Want to buy a house? That dream might be on hold. Even renting an apartment can be a challenge. Bad credit limits your choices and costs you money. It's time to break free from this cycle and build a brighter future. Ready for the good news? You can fix your credit score. Yes, you heard that right. No matter how daunting it may seem, improving your credit score is entirely within your reach. It takes commitment, but the rewards are worth it. Imagine the freedom of having a higher credit score, lower interest rates, better loan approvals, and even improved job prospects. Start by getting a copy of your credit report. This is your first step towards financial empowerment. Check it carefully for any errors and dispute them immediately. Errors on your credit report can significantly impact your score, so it's crucial to address them as soon as possible. Next, create a budget and stick to it. A well-planned budget helps you manage your finances better and ensures that you are living within your means. This will help you pay down your debts faster. Paying off your debts not only improves your credit score but also reduces financial stress. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your credit. Educate yourself about financial management and credit repair strategies. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Set clear financial goals and celebrate your milestones. Each step you take towards improving your credit score is a victory. Consider using credit monitoring services to keep track of your progress. These services can alert you to any changes in your credit report and help you stay on top of your credit health. If you need additional help, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Financial advisors and credit counselors can provide valuable insights and personalized strategies to help you achieve your credit goals. With dedication and the right approach, you can transform your credit score and enjoy the benefits of financial freedom. Start today and take control of your financial future. Section 5. The Fast Track Debt Snowball. Want to turbocharge your credit score improvement? Try the Debt Snowball method. List your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. Focus all your extra money on paying off the smallest debt first. Once it's gone, take that payment amount and add it to the next smallest debt. This creates momentum and keeps you motivated. Section 6. Time heals patience and consistency. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is good credit. It takes time and consistent effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep making those payments on time, and your score will gradually improve. The key is to stay the course and celebrate your progress along the way. You've got this. Section 7. Your credit score success story. Imagine the feeling of finally achieving a good credit score. You'll have more financial freedom, lower interest rates, and greater peace of mind. You'll be able to achieve your dreams, whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or simply living debt-free. Your credit score success story is waiting to be written. Take the first step today. Section 8. Join the financial freedom journey. You're not alone in this journey. Millions of people are working towards improving their credit scores and achieving financial freedom. Share your experiences, tips, and challenges with others. Together, we can break the cycle of bad credit and build a brighter financial future. Remember, knowledge is power, and action is key. Let's do this.